Davina McCall's remarkable health revelation, unlocking nutrition secrets at 57 with the ZOE app. Davina McCall is widely recognized not only for her stunning television presence, but also for promoting a healthy lifestyle that serves as an inspiration to women everywhere. Now 57 years old, Davina recently underwent surgery to remove a non-cancerous brain tumor in November, marking a significant moment in her health journey. Alongside her passion for diverse exercise routines, from meditative yoga and walks to more intense workouts like plyometrics and weight training, Davina attributes her revitalized well-being to a health-focused app, ZOE. But here's where it gets controversial. The popular presenter swears by ZOE, a health application that leverages personalized nutrition insights via a user-friendly mobile platform. She insists that nourishing her gut properly is the cornerstone of her wellness strategy, feeding both her physical and mental health. ZOE's co-founder, Professor Tim Spector, describes the program as a holistic approach to nutrition. The app takes into account a range of factors, including individual dietary habits, personal traits, blood sugar levels, and gut microbiome. Combining these elements, ZOE provides a unique nutritional score for each food based on a personalized measure out of 100. And this is the part most people miss. What distinguishes ZOE's approach from other health apps is its focus on the individual gut microbiome, understanding the trillions of microbes that thrive within us and their critical role in health. The app offers a test kit that encompasses 3 essential tests: a stool examination to analyze gut bacteria, a continuous glucose monitor to observe blood sugar fluctuations, and a blood fat test to understand fat metabolism. With these insights, ZOE empowers you to personalize your diet for maximum benefit. Where can you get a ZOE kit? For a limited time, the ZOE website is offering a massive 50% discount on their classic 3-part test kit. Don't miss out. Supplies have limited, and this could be the key to unlocking your health potential. As Professor Sarah Berry aptly puts it, understanding the relationship between our diets and our health can lead to significant improvements in our longevity and overall well-being. Imagine feeling 10 extra years of health and vitality. Could adjusting your diet really have that profound an impact? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. What do you think about the power of personalized nutrition?